Hello, my name is Yujiro and welcome to another video. This one is gonna be another restoration video, also with chrome, but it's gonna be a different motorcycle part. This is about a fender. A front fender for the Chinese Honda DAX, the ST50 replicas. It's not in the best condition, but I'm gonna get most of it off. And the underside needs to be taken care of. Alright, so I'm in the car right now and I checked if I have any clear coat left, and I do not. So right now I'm on my way to Lube. It's a self-made store to get the stuff you need. Wow, I'm really good at my English today. So I'm gonna get the clear coat. Maybe something extra, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have a look around, and when I'm done you're gonna see me back in the shop working on that fender. Because if I do this and, how do I say this, if I take the rust off and I don't do a layer of clear coat, it's just gonna come back, and I really don't want that. Oh look, a motorcycle. I think that was a black, that new Honda, it's a 1000, Africa Twin, yeah, that one. So yeah, I'm gonna get the clear coat, maybe a tool, I'm not sure. I don't really need extra tools except for a motorcycle lift. But that's about it. Also, this is the village called Schilde in Belgium. It's near the city of Antwerp. And if you're curious to what car I drive, it's just a 2007 Ford Fiesta. I think it's a 1.2 liter non-turbo engine. I'm happy with it. It does its job. And it's gonna get me around for the next couple of years, hopefully. We'll see. I'm gonna have to get it inspected soon to get my, I think the word is MOT again. But we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna see you back in the shop when I've got the clear coat. Alright, so I'm back home and I got a little bit more than just clear coat. I got myself some new brushes because my old one is, well, pretty much done. And I got a polishing pad for metal and one to remove some paint. So these are all gonna be useful to do this. So yeah, no, this is beyond repair. I could maybe fix it, but that's gonna take so much time. I'm not really gonna earn anything off it. I'm just gonna say €5 and it's yours, and someone says 10 or whatever, we'll see. I mean, just gotta get away from it. This is a bit of a fail, honestly. But I'm not afraid to show my, how do you call it? Fails? No, my unsuccesses? No, that's not the right word. I think you do know what I mean, right? But you see, this is just one big piece of rust. I mean, look at this. I got it to shine up a little bit, but that's just bad. I'm not sure if anyone wants this. It might just go in the trash. This sucks, but I had some fun trying to clean it up, so that's gonna be it. Thank you for watching. If you maybe like this video, drop a like, maybe subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.